So here's a typical freezer. You can see how the frost is accumulating up at the very top of the freezer, working its way down. That's where your frost accumulates. We're going to just install the frost plates into the freezer here. See, they just simply hang over. We're going to keep the frost shields tight to each other, leave the corners open. You don't get a lot of frost accumulating in the corners, and there's no need to put any shields on the customer side of the freezer. So we're going to remove the frost shields. This is sat here Friday, Saturday, Sunday. It's Monday morning, and we had the top completely open, no frost night covers or anything, just to maximize the frost buildup. You see, as we remove the frost plates, it's nice and clean. Okay, and it's ready for action again. Just rinse your frost shields off in the sink and you're good to go.